you ever, met someone new and you just forget your own country?
Oh, absolutely. Like my brain just completely stops.
Right? Welcome to English Pod Center. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. And yeah, I get so nervous when I meet people.
Today we are talking about a big question. Where are you from?
Oh man, that question, it's so scary sometimes.
Exactly, because, it is the first thing people ask.
Yeah, you say hello and then boom, where are you from?
Boom. Yes. And if you are learning English,
You just freeze like an ice cube.
exactly, an ice cube. You just, you don't know what to say.
I always say, wait, what do I say? I come of Brazil? No.
No, not of. This is the big problem, Lucas.
Right, so people use the wrong little words, the grammar.
Yes, people say I am in Japan or I am to Spain.
Oh, I am to Spain. Yeah, I hear that a lot.
But the magic word is from. F-R-O-M.
From. Okay, just from?
Just from. It is like a bridge.
A bridge? Wait, I don't get it.
Think of a bridge. It connects you to your home.
Okay, so I am the person,
Yes, I am.
and then the bridge is from.
Exactly. I am from.
Oh, and then the country. I am from Brazil.
Perfect. See? You built the bridge.
That is like so easy. Why do we make it hard?
Because we think too much. We really do.
We panic. I panic.
Everyone panics, but you just need 3 easy parts.
1, 2, 3. Person, bridge, place.
Yes, let's play a fast game.
Oh boy, a game. Am I ready?
You are ready. I will ask you, you answer.
Okay, do it. Ask me.
Hello, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Hi, I am from Mexico.
Great. See? Perfect bridge.
Wow, it feels good. So easy.
Now you ask me.
Okay. Hey, Luna, where are you from?
I am from France.
Oh la la, France.
Yes, exactly. But wait, there's more.
Uh-oh. More? Is the bridge broken?
No, the bridge is safe. But what if you want to say your city?
Oh, like Paris or Tokyo.
Yes, you can use the exact same bridge.
Really? I don't need a new word?
Nope, just change the place.
So I just say, I am from Paris.
You got it. It is super simple.
Wait, so I can say country or city?
Yes, country or city, whatever you want to say.
That is like a lifesaver. I love the bridge.
It really is. But there is one very common mistake.
Oh no, the trap. What is the mistake?
People try to use the word come, C-O-M-E.
Ah, I come from. Wait, is that wrong?
Well, I come from is okay, but beginners always do this weird thing. They say, I am come from.
Oh, I am come from. Yeah, I hear that like all the time.
Right, and that's very wrong. It's like putting salt in your coffee.
Ew, wait, so you can't mix them?
Exactly. No mixing. Never mix am and come. Just say, I come from.
Okay, but I am from is just way easier, right?
Way easier, Lucas. Seriously, just stick to I am from.
So like, I am from Brazil.
Perfect. See? You're like a pro already.
Not yet, Luna, but what if they want to know my city?
Okay, how do you think they ask that?
Do they say, where are you from in Brazil?
Yes, literally exactly that.
Wait, really? That simple?
Yeah, just add in. Where are you from in Brazil?
Oh, wow. And I answer, I am from Rio.
Mm-hmm. You got it.
Man, that's like super simple.
It really is. But wait, let's do a quick test.
Oh boy, a test? I am nervous.
Don't panic, Lucas. Just pretend I'm a new friend at a party.
Okay. Hi, new friend.
Hi. Your accent is really cool. Where are you from?
I am from Japan.
Oh, nice. I love Japan. Where are you from in Japan?
I am from Tokyo.
Ding, ding, ding. 100%.
Wait, that was it? I passed?
You passed. And the best part? No salty coffee. You didn't say, I am come from.
Nope, the bridge, Luna. I stayed on the safe bridge.
Yes, I am from is the safest bridge.
Okay, but what if I want to ask them?
Like you want to return the question?
Yeah, because talking is, two people.
True. So you just say, and you?
Wait, just and you? That's it?
Yep. I am from Tokyo. And you?
Wow, English speakers are lazy, huh?
So lazy. We love short words.
Wait, I know another one. Can you say, how about you?
Ooh, yes. How about you is very, very natural.
I like that one. How about you? It sounds like smooth.
It does sound smooth. Okay, let's put it all together now.